Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today in this video you're going to learn easy steps for time blocking for beginners. Before entering into the video, let us know what is time blocking and how it is going to help us. Time blocking is a type of scheduling that can help you to manage your time better. Instead of working by the clock, you can focus on finishing big and small tasks one at a time. This will help you to limit your distractions, get things done faster, and leave you less overwhelmed by lengthy to-do list. To time block effectively, you will need to figure out what sorts of things you need to do each day, month and year. You can then put a schedule in a place and stick to it. Now we have come up with what is time blocking and how it is going to help us. Now let us learn how to block your time. Step number 1. Use a paper or digital calendar to keep track of your blocks. Especially when you first start out, it may be hard to keep track of your different blocks. Use a calendar app on your smartphone with timer. Step number 2. Break down your workload. First thing is identify your biggest priorities. Think about what's most important for you to work on each day and then make a list of your typical workday tasks. Beyond the bigger stuff, you have probably got tons of other things going on, take up time every day. Now make a list of your non-workday activities. Think about what's important to you that's not related. Step number 3. Color code your calendar. Both paper and digital options give you the ability to color code, and you should take advantage. Label different time blocks in set colors. You can even match this to priority level. Red can be for high priority tasks, and yellow for moderate tasks, and green for low priority tasks. For paper, use different colored markers or highlighters. For digital, check the settings on the app or software you are using and follow the instructions to color. Step number 4. Plan to finish tasks, not work by the clock. Don't think about your workday as a revolving around a clock. Instead, you should have several tasks that you set aside blocks of time to finish. Once you finish the task, you are done with the work. So rather than having a random to-do list that you have to finish before 5 o'clock, you will have several blocks of time dedicated to completing individual projects one at a time. This doesn't mean you won't be still in a routine. Your blocks of time should be consistent from day to day. Step number 5. Block time for your hardest task when you are most productive. For most people, this will be right at the start of the workday. Dedicate a minimum of 1 hour to your higher priority task. Start there and then move through to the next time block in order of priority. For example, if you know you work best before noon, plan to spend the block before your lunch break on your toughest task. And reward yourself, when I just finish this, then I am going to have my lunch. Step number 6. Block out the rest of the day by task. Once you have done this schedule the rest of the day in shorter blocks dedicated to one task per block. These blocks should go in order of priority, since your energy level will probably go down over the course of the day. You will also feel better if you know the hard stuff is done as early as possible. If you are type of person whose energy increases as the day goes on, feel free to reverse the order of the task you are tackling. Make the schedule that works for you. So for example, if you are handling the hardest tasks first thing in the morning, break the afternoon down into 2 to 3 or even 4 blocks of time, each lasting an hour or 2. Step number 7. Track your productivity to see if time blocking works for you. Time blocking may not be for everyone. Make sure it works for you by seeing if you become more productive once you organize your schedule in this way. To track your productivity, note how long tasks usually take you at the beginning and the end of the first month after you put the new schedule in a place. Yeah, these are the simple and easy steps to block your time in order to have a productive life. And there is a question for all of you. Hope so all of you watched the entire video so that you can answer this question. And the question is, which task would you identify as low priority and leave for the end of your day? And the options are outlining a new project, conducting a meeting, social media promotions of your company, and answering emails. Let me know the answer down below in the comments, and also let me know in the comments what type of content would you like to see on my channel. And thanks for watching. Also love this video, and until next time, bye everyone.